Syrian language school. Apple, banana, orange, mango, strawberry, blueberry, pineapple, watermelon, papaya, guava, kiwi, cherry, grapes, pomegranate, lychee, pear, peach, plum, fig, coconut, avocado, raspberry, blackberry, dragon fruit, grape, mango, orange, plum, apricot, grapefruit, avocado, custard apple, guava, pumpkin, sapodilla, lychee, apple, watermelon, pomegranate, pear, cherry, strawberry, melon, banana, damson, papaya, coconut, peach, shaddock, gooseberry, durian, raspberry, kiwi, dragon fruit, jackfruit, German fruit, mulberry, persimmon, quince, red currant, jujube, elderberry, olive, tamarind, cashew apple, sugarcane, dates, fig, blueberry, carambola, cranberry, pineapple, zucchini, peppers, mushroom, pumpkin, broccoli, cabbage, cucumber, eggplant, carrots, lettuce, potato, asparagus, beet, onion, radish, spinach, sweet potato, garlic, cauliflower, green beans, kohlrabi, fennel, jalapeno, celery, okra, rutabaga, leek, collard greens, apple banana, Abyssinian banana, burro banana, blue Java banana, Cavendish banana, East African Highland banana, Ducasse banana, Fay banana, Gros Michael banana, Giant Highland banana, Imbal banana, Hua Moa banana, Ialina banana, Jamaican banana, Kluai Kai banana, Kandarian banana, ladyfinger banana, Lacatan banana. Mysore banana. Mungy banana.